Yeah, the war had just started when, well, everybody in that Second World War, everybody went down the day after Pearl Harbor and volunteered. This is funny. Stop me if I keep you overtime.
No.
But when Joe got his orders to go overseas, I thought, well, I haven't been away from my job for a long time in New York. So I called up my old boss, and it was that I told him and said, can I have my job back? And he said, come as fast as you can. And I told Joe I was so pleased, and he looked so funny, and he said, well, I really do it if you want to, of course, but I really don't want my wife to be working.
I needed you. Yes, I do.